All right. So, for many years, I have tried to get Pimby, Plain in Makeup by Yolanda, my products in different stores. And I have so many customers across the US. I've actually shipped to over 150 countries. And for many years, people have been asking me, Jamaica here, can you please get your products in different stores? I've tried on many occasions and I wasn't successful. So one day my husband and my sister, especially my husband, said to me, why you just don't open your own store? So the first store that I opened one in Jamaica, that's Mapen, so that's 11 Paisley Avenue. And I was getting more into products where people were saying, oh, I need to test my shade, I need to do this, I need to do that. And it's very hard sometimes online to know a certain shade that you are in foundation, concealer. So I just prayed on it and launched out. So that really that's what inspired me to open this store.
I'm looking at, kind of going through I mean, it's surreal to look at these images. I'm seeing your brand on stuff. I'm seeing your step and repeat boards. I'm seeing your customers taking pictures with you. This is a dream that started in Mitchelltown. Yolanda, when you were literally playing in makeup. You were playing makeup.
All the way from there, down to Egypt. That's where it started from.
You couldn't even see this. Like when you left Jamaica at 17, you went into nursing. Did you have any idea that at some point, I mean, you were doing your makeup artistry on the side, you got your certification. Could you have envisioned this dream for yourself?
Well, I know I'm a very determined person. My grandmother always tell me that once you're determined and need something, you just pray about it and push yourself. All things are possible, especially when you believe in yourself. So it's not that I've never seen myself where I am today. However, because that's how I was brought up. So I wouldn't say I wouldn't have seen myself. I never dreamt of being a makeup artist when I was younger. I always wanted to be a counselor, that therapist, someone. So me being a makeup artist, having my own cosmetic line, it wasn't something that I had planned for. I fell in love with it at a younger age, but never knew this is what I would have done.
Mm-hmm.